Hey, when was the last time you invested in you? Hi, it's Bill. Welcome to Creative License, my little dog and pony show. One of these days I'll have to bring the dog over and introduce him to the pony, but until then, thanks for joining me, and thanks for taking good care of all of my sponsors, Electro Voice, DJ Event Planner, Disc Jockey News, Promo Only, and of course my workshop, The Entertainment Experience, which has a new workshop coming up in November. Reach out if you want to know more. So, investing in yourself. When I ask a guy that, or I ask anybody that, they go, well, yeah, I do that all the time. You know, I just picked up this new controller. I got a new wireless microphone. Man, you are going to be blown away by the new Evolve 50s that I have. I got the white ones, you know. I'm like, okay, that's great. Investing in your company and its equipment and the lighting you have, that's very important. But when was the last time you invested in you? Really? When was the last time you tried to better yourself? When was the last time you tried to take care of yourself? Do you invest in your dietary sustenance? Do you invest in your health, in your well-being, in your daily exercise routine? Do you invest in classes? Like, do you take any workshops? Like, I have a workshop, but I mean, lots of people do. Do you take, have you taken a dance class? Right? Have you taken an acting class? Do you know anything about comedy? Have you been reading? When was the last time you picked up a book and invested your mind into something new? Do you write? Do you journal? Do you invest in you? You are really the number one thing that you are selling to all of your clients. So if you're not regularly investing in yourself, then you're not necessarily growing. You can buy new speakers, but then you keep showing up. You can get new lighting, but then you keep showing up. So why aren't you investing in you, right? It's not that tough. There's lots and lots of places where you can do so. Okay, like I said, you don't want to take my workshop, you can reach out to other people. I'll tell you 7 different places you can take a DJ workshop if you want to, but you don't have to. You can find a community college, you can get into a community theater group, you can work on your performance, you can just work on the way you look, like taking a chance to take a sit-up every day, or do some push-ups, or eat better, or exercise. Invest in you, your health, the way you look, the way you are around people. It's important. It's really, really important, because if you don't, then all the fancy gear in the world doesn't help the fact that you show up with it. You show up with it every single time. Just you. And you're who they're hiring. What do you think of this? Tell me more in the comments below. Until next time, this is Bill and Creative License. Bye.